Good morning, guys. I'm wearing this t-shirt that and John made for me yesterday. It's got a print on the back too. It's like a dragon. Pretty happy with it. I just finished showering and now I'm just eating some rolled oats with milk and sugar, drinking tea and getting ready. I gotta go to Netja's place, Jason's mom. She invited me to come over to cook sushi for them. I mean, it's free dinner, right? And sushi's easy to make. I'll try and teach her how to make it. She thinks it's some kind of quantum physics that you have to be Japanese in order to make it to any kind of acceptable degree, but I'll show her it's super easy, super cheap, fast. Yeah. So I'm just getting myself ready to go over there. It's gonna be a 2 hour trip and then a 2 hour trip to return. So I'm gonna have to go soonish. Like a few hours, 3, 4 hours maybe. But yeah, for now I'm just chilling, watching some YouTube. Guys, check out this view. Ain't that pretty? Wow. I'm gonna go shave my beard. I haven't done that in forever. I'm not gonna take it all off, that looks weird. You'll see. Back to being in my 20s. This is how I looked all my 20s. I couldn't grow a beard here. Netja cancelled, and I stayed home all day relaxing. And yeah, now I just gotta go shopping. So I'm all set up with the LED here on the side. Wheel is ready, let's go. I don't think I filmed any footage for you guys of me riding. I just had too much fun. I'm walking my food over to my room. I just made it in the common kitchen. I gotta walk through the dark here to get to the light. It's right over there. Let's go. And I got soda there as well. Green grape soda. Alright guys, here we go. There's my little cave. And I got this delicious food. Ah, that's gonna be good. It's overflowing. That soft shell taco only got me more hungry, guys. I'm out here cooking some béarnaise, rice with broccoli, and chicken nuggets. A real child's meal, but I like it. Check it out. Kitchen all cleaned up, everything washed. Gotta leave it in the proper condition. Let's go stuff ourselves. I'm about to eat, watch some shit. Itadakimasu.